Your next coding agent might not live in the cloud. It might live next to your node modules folder, which is somehow worse. Local AI used to mean one of two things: a tiny model hallucinating in your terminal, or a workstation that sounds like it is mining Ethereum in 2017. But this week, the signal got louder. Hacker News pushed local AI to the top. Local LLM is arguing about Qwen 3.6 for agentic coding, and devs are testing M4 machines like tiny inference boxes. Translation: local is no longer just a privacy slogan. It is becoming a workflow option. The default AI feature today is beautiful in the way a dependency graph fire is beautiful. User data goes to your app calls a vendor, the vendor thinks for a bit, billing wakes up, rate limits hover nearby, and somewhere a privacy policy grows 3 new appendices. As one local first essay put it, stop shipping distributed systems when you meant to ship a feature. For a lot of developer tasks, that is the real pitch. Less magic, fewer moving parts. Local models shine when the input is already yours and the output is bounded. Summarize this file, extract action items, classify this log, rewrite this comment, normalize this JSON that came from a vendor API designed by a committee. In code, that means repo search, doc generation, test suggestions, small refactors, lint fixes, and boring glue work. Not invent Kubernetes again. More like, read my repo and make the obvious change without sending private source to another continent. Qwen 3.6 is interesting because its model card is basically a checklist for local agent nerds. Open weights, 27 billion parameters. OpenAI-compatible serving with vLLM or SGLang, a native 262,000 token context window, and benchmark tables for coding agents, terminal tasks, and repository-level work. Does that mean it beats every frontier model? No. Put the benchmark confetti down. It means the local stack is starting to look like normal infrastructure: endpoint, tools, context, evals, and a model you can actually run. Now the annoying part, physics still exists. A 24 gigabyte laptop can be useful. It can run smaller or quantized models, do local assistant work, and keep simple agent loops cheap. But context eats memory. Tool use eats time. Bigger models need bigger machines. And if you want giant context with less pain, you start drifting toward 48 gigabytes, GPUs, or a small local server. So yes, your laptop can be an AI box. No, it is not a magic data center with a keyboard. The sane architecture is a router, not a religion. Put a local model behind an OpenAI-compatible endpoint. Give it narrow tools, grep, tests, docs, maybe a formatter. Keep permissions boring, let it touch low-risk files first, then add escalation. If the task needs hard reasoning, huge external research, or high-confidence judgment, send it to a cloud model. Congratulations! You invented hybrid AI, also known as using the right computer. Very disruptive. Please raise a seed round responsibly. Local still loses when the task needs the smartest model available, fresh web-scale knowledge, managed multimodal retrieval, or enterprise reliability with someone else on pager duty. Google is making CloudRag more capable. Frontier labs are still moving, and some workloads should absolutely not depend on your laptop staying awake during a meeting. Local first is smart. Local only is how you build a very private outage. Judge local agents by maintenance cost, not vibes. Did the agent make a smaller diff? Did tests get better? Did it explain the change? Can you reproduce the run? Can you swap the model without rewriting your app? If yes, local is doing useful engineering work. If no, you have built a slot machine that outputs TypeScript. Fun demo. Bad teammate. The best local agent is not the one that writes the most code. It is the one that leaves the least mess. So the hype check is simple. Local AI coding agents are finally useful for bounded, private, repetitive developer work. They are not replacing frontier models. They are replacing dumb cloud calls, tiny scripts, and some very tired interns named Bash. end by asking viewers which workflow they would trust to run locally. Tests, refactors, docs, or absolutely nothing. Nice try.